Okay guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to get your 1000 subscribers within 7 days. Within 7 days, I did it in my first channel and it worked. For you to get your 1000 subscribers within 7 days, what you have to do now is to go to your I will have to share the screen in this particular video now. You will have to go to your Instagram account. Once you go to your Instagram account, you find a very befitting video that is, that will generate views. A video that you think that will generate views. Video something like this. See this particular video now. You click on this share button. This place will appear. Do not go to this download. If you download it, will come with watermark. So do not go on that one. Do not go with that one. The one you have to go is copy link. You see this copy link? You click on it. It is copied. Then you come back now. Go to your Google Chrome. Once you click on Google Chrome, you type in something like link download. You see it? You type in link download. Then you click on link download. This place will come up. Once this place comes up, this save from .net free online video download. The first one, you click on it. Once you click on it, this place will come up. Once this place comes up, you see enter the URL. Sorry, I am not looking on the video, I'm on the camera. So hope you're understanding me now. You click on it and paste that link you just copied from Instagram. You paste on it, then you wait for it. Once you paste it, it will automatically show this place. Then you click on download MP4. You click on it. Of course, then okay, have you seen it now? It is already downloaded. You now tell you to save on the drive or the files. You have to save it on the files. Once you save it on the files, they will ask you whether they will open it. You say open. Make sure that you saved it on the file very well. Have you seen it now? Now you may save it apart from the one that is already automatic from the Instagram. You may save it from something else, something like what a hair style, what a haircut style. Then you save. What you have to do next is to go to your YouTube account. Once you enter your YouTube account, this is the YouTube I'm just trying to use for this tutorial. Yes, this let me just go to the other account and do this particular one. Let me just do it here. Once you enter this place now, what you have to do is to go back to the file where you saved that video. Have you seen it now? Then you click on this share button down. You see it now? Once you click on that share button, see airdrop, message, email, YouTube. You click on YouTube. You have to wait for it. It will pop up on the short. Once it comes up here, it comes with the sound. Then you click on next. So this is where you have to avoid copyright of this particular video. How do you do it now? You have to click on the sound first to change that particular sound that it came with. You add another sound, something like TikTok's load or maybe friendship above. Let's go with friendship. Remember, you have to choose a shot that has millions of views. You can see these friendships already have 27 million shots. Then you click on next. Once you click on next, these videos will come here. So two of the videos, the sound you'll be hearing two of the sounds, but you have to click on this volume button at the top right side of this screen. You click on it. The first video there is video that came with your audio, the one you got from the Instagram. You have to reduce it to 0%. So the only sound you're hearing now is one that you just added from the YouTube short, the French shapes, the one that has 27 million users. Then you go back. The next thing you have to do to remove the copyright is to add a kind of write up. You see the letter, this icon here, the icon letter here. You click on it. What do you want to write? Something like, wow, what a haircut style, cut style. Yes, you have to reduce it in a way that it will not block the main person you are trying to show. You lift it and they put it in a normal position. What else do you have to do now? You click on next. You click on next. You can see next. You click on it. Once you click on next, you have to wait for it. Then this place will come up. You see visibility. It's already in public. Go back. Then caption it. You'll say what a haircut style. Have you seen it now? You add a kind of a hashtag, something like shorts, something like funny, something like haircut. Anything that is related to the video you are posting, you have to add the hashtag. Have you seen it now? What else do you have to look for? Description is not actually necessary. You can add anything you want, anything at all, anything at all. You will have to, add a write-up at the beginning of the video actually. Something like this haircut is funny. Have you seen it now? Entertaining. It's entertaining. So trying to add a kind of hashtag in on this entertainment news. So now you go back to where the video is. Make sure that everything is alright. Then you click on upload short. You click on the upload short. Remember this particular channel, the channel I just created to use and teach people. It is not my main channel. So you have to wait for the short to appear. You have to wait for it to make sure say the thing uploads. Wait for it. So once it uploads, it will appear here. Make sure that you do this in you upload short like this method. You make it like 6 to 10 videos in a short in a day. 6 to 10 shots in a day. Within 7 days, you will get your 1,000 subscribers. Another thing I have to tell you that once you get your 1,000 subscribers, please go back and delete all these shorts. Make sure you delete all of them. As simple as that. If you want to grow on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.